I'm Tessa, and this is a review of the Cozy Cabin Toothbrush Holder.
What I love most about the Cozy Cabin Toothbrush Holder is how easy it is to clean and that there is no way of trapping any mold. I also love the sleek design with the metal and ceramic finish. It's made with a high quality stainless steel and resin. It's durable and it's also rust proof. Have you ever bought a toothbrush and you come home and you go to put it in your toothbrush holder and it doesn't fit? Well, you're never going to have a problem with that because the openings are large enough to accommodate any size toothbrush, although not electric toothbrushes. They will not fit in there, in case you were wondering. I give this 5 stars. So just to recap, it's stylish, easy to clean, durable, has proper airflow, no chance of ever trapping mold, and any toothbrush can fit in there, except of course electric toothbrushes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.